One.
Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Jalal and today I'm here to tell you that how you can use the media motor in the LEGO Mindstorm software. So let's get into the software. So as you can see, its software is opening and here's the logo. It's taking some few times. So finally, its software has been opened and so let's get into its programming. So we will click Add Project to start the programming. So its programming section has been open and we are going to start the media motor, discussing the media motor. So here's the media motor block, and as you can see, you can figure it out by seeing its icon. So here's the media motor showing, and as you can see, here's the meter one. It's showing its power, that in what speed, in what limit the media motor is going to rotate. And as you can see, it's the rotation, that how many times it's going to rotate. So as you press on rotations, it's going to give you these two options, and as you click on for degrees, it will gives you the power limit, and it will give you a new option of degrees. So in this option you can use it to give it or rotate it in degree. So if I give it that, it will going to rotate in 90 degree. So it also has some negative rotation too. So if you want to give it positive or negative, it depends on you. So after you do for degree, here's on for seconds. So you can also use this one too. So in this option, this power is also given, and except of degree, here's the timer of seconds. So that till how many seconds the media motor is going to rotate. So you can give it like 4 seconds, 3 seconds, it depends on you. And as you can see here, it's the port. It's defined the port, that in which port the media motor is plugged in. And if you select the option on, the media motor will be continuously rotating and rotating and rotating. And you can set the speed limit, and if you select the off option, the media motor will not going to rotate and will be switch off. So if you so by using these options, you can program the media motor in your programming. So this was for today, and I hope you like this video. So thank you, goodbye.